In this video, we are going to construct a triangle where its base is given, one base angle is given, and sum of other two sides are given. So to construct a triangle given its base, a base angle, and sum of other two sides. So construct a right triangle whose base is 12 cm and sum of its hypotenuse and other side is 18 cm. Means sum of other two side is 18 cm. For this, first of all, we have to construct a base BC equal 12 cm. After constructing a base BC, so construct a BC base which is 12 cm, and at B we have to draw an angle B 90 degree. So we have to draw XBC 90 degree or angle B equal 90 degree. For this, at center B and any radius, draw an arc which intersect the line segment BC at some point. Say it as P, and with center P and same radius. Don't disturb your compass over here. Draw another arc which intersect the previous arc at some point. Say it as Q. Then take Q as center and same radius. Don't disturb your compass, radius of the compass, and draw another arc which intersects the first arc at point R. Now see, PQ arc makes 60 degree with center B, QR arc makes 60 degree with center B. Now we are bisecting QR arc with Q and R as centers and some radius. Draw two arcs which intersect each other at some point, say it as. So we have bisected QR arc. So this line is the bisector of QR arc. QR is 60 degree, so this arc is bisector, so 30 degree. So 30 degree and 60 degree, PQ is 60 degree and Q arc and line is 30 degree. 60 plus 30 is 90 degree. So we have made SBC equals 90 degree, or we can say angle B equal 90 degree. Now extend BS to any point X, to any length, extend BS. Here we have to cut a line segment BD which is equal to 18 cm, because 18 cm is given the sum of its hypotenuse and other side. So with center B, cut arc BD equal to 18 cm. So BD is 18 cm. After this, join CD, and we have got a triangle BDC. Now at angle, we see triangle BDC. Now see BDC angle. So BDC angle, measure of BDC angle we have to construct at point C, DCY. BDC equal DCY. DCY equal BDC. BDC equal DCY. So for this, with center D and any radius, draw an arc which intersects the line segment BD and CD at some points. Take these points as, you can name them as E or F. So EF is the measure of angle D. EF arc is the measure of angle D. We have to construct equal angles at point C. So with C as center and same radius, don't disturb, which you have taken at the center D. Same radius, draw an arc, and the arc and the line CD crosses at one point. Name it as G. Now see, we are measuring EF arc, EF, E and F arc. So we have adjusted our radius EF. So EF same arc G, you can say H, GH and EF, arc of same radius. So EF and GH, same radius, GH and EF. So we have made equal angles. Now CH, join CH and extend it to some point, say it as point. So children, we have made angle D which is BDC equal angle DC, and you can say Y, BCY, BDC and DCY. See here, CY line intersect BX at some point. That point is the third vertex of the triangle ABC. So A is the third vertex of the triangle ABC. BC we have got earlier and A is the third vertex. So ABC is the required triangle where BC is 12 centimeter, angle B is 90 degree and AB plus AC is 18 centimeter. So we have got the required triangle, right triangle ABC. We have drawn a right triangle ABC where BC is 12 centimeter, that is base, angle B is 90 degree, one base angle, and AB plus AC is hypotenuse of this triangle. So hypotenuse and one other side other than base, AB plus AC is 13 centimeter. BC is 12, angle B is 90 degree and AB plus AC is 13 centimeter. Now see, we have drawn 90 degree angle and then BC a base, we have drawn 12 centimeter base and this angle B 90 degree and extended it, and BD is 13 centimeter. BD is 13 centimeter, which is sum of AB and AC. So we have taken BD 13 centimeter by construction, and after taking 13 centimeter on this BX ray, we join CD. Now in a CD triangle, we see that this angle EF arc equals GH arc. By construction, what we have done? EF arc and GH arc both are equal, means this angle and this angle same. So see, in triangle ACD, we can see angle C equal angle D, angle C equal angle D, because see GH arc equals EF arc. So C and D equal, and we know side opposite to equal angles in a triangle are equal. So EF side, EF arc, this angle D angle, opposite of angle D is AC side, and opposite of angle C is AD side. So AD side and AC sides are equal. AC and AD sides are equal. So we see BA plus AD equal BD, BA plus AD, or you can say AB plus AD equal BD, and BD is 13 centimeter, so AB plus AD is 13 centimeter, which we have drawn AB plus AD 13 centimeter, and AD equal AC. So put AD equal AC in place of AD. In place of AD, we put AC. AB plus AD, that is AB plus AC. AB plus AD, which is equal to AB plus AC, and AB plus AD is 13 centimeter. So AB plus AC is also 13 centimeter. So we have proved that AB plus AC is 13 centimeter. ABC is a triangle in which BC is a base 12 centimeter, angle B is 90 degree, and AB plus AC is 13 centimeter.